In today's video, I'm going to teach you Midjourney AI tutorial, how to use Midjourney to create stunning art. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Google. This is the quickest way to get to the official Midjourney website, and it helps ensure you're starting from a trusted source. Once the page loads, click into the search bar, type the word Midjourney, and press enter. You'll see a mix of results, but you'll want the official site. Look for the result that leads directly to the Midjourney domain. When in doubt, avoid anything that looks like an ad or a third-party tool claiming to be Midjourney. Click into the official Midjourney website. You'll typically land on an Explore or Gallery page, which is perfect for getting inspired. Take a moment to look around. You'll see examples of styles, subjects, and moods. Browsing these can spark ideas and help you shape a stronger prompt before you generate your own image. Now, it's time to make a prompt. A prompt is simply a clear description of what you want the AI to create. Here's a great example you can use to learn the structure. A 1950s retro camera resting on an old table with blurred warm bokeh lights in the background. Nostalgic mood, moody colors. Notice how it starts with a specific subject, then adds the setting, background details, and finally, the mood and color direction. That balance of concrete nouns and evocative adjectives gives Midjourney enough context to produce something cohesive. As you write your own prompt, be specific without overcomplicating it. Use clear, descriptive language, separate ideas with commas, and think in layers: subject, environment, lighting, mood, and color. If it helps, reference an era, material, or visual style like vintage, cinematic lighting, or soft focus. You can also mention composition hints such as close-up, wide shot, or portrait, but keep it simple so the AI doesn't get conflicting instructions. Once you're happy with the wording, click Submit. Midjourney will process your request and generate results based on your description. Give it a moment. When the images appear, evaluate how well they match your intent. If the style is close but not perfect, refine the language. Try adding a few power words, swapping adjectives, or emphasizing the mood more clearly. Small changes can make a big difference. Then submit again. That's the core workflow. Search for Midjourney, open the official site, craft a focused prompt, and submit. The real magic comes from iteration, so keep refining your descriptions, stay consistent with the look you want, and let your creativity guide you. Enjoy exploring and have fun creating stunning art with Midjourney.